Good morning, all of you. I'm your science teacher and I'm going to teach you science. From last few videos, we studied our second chapter of science, that is nutrition in animals. In that videos, we discussed on the different modes of nutrition, animal nutrition, nutrition in starfish, and we already discussed on the digestion in human beings. Digestion system we already discussed, and in the digestion of human being, we already learned that digestion of food is starting from the buccal cavity in our mouth. Okay, so on that part, we via an activity we try to understand that how saliva digest help in digestion of food. The saliva which secretes in our mouth via different glands in our mouth is digest the food when we taking any starch containing food. So by an activity we try to understand, we take two test tubes, label A and label B. Okay. Then in test tube A, we put boiled rice, okay, a teaspoon, and in test tube B, we put 1 teaspoon boiled rice after chewing 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Then put 3-4 ml of water, added both of the tubes. Okay. Then finally we take two three drop and put into the both of the tubes, and what we can see, we see that in test tube A the solution gives blue black color after the reaction with iodine, and in test tube B there is no change. How it can possible? We know that we put the rice in test tube B after doing 3 to 5 minutes, so the saliva digests the starch which present in rice. So in test tube B, starch is not present because starch is already digested by saliva. But in test tube A, starch is present in rice. So starch react with iodine and it gives blue-black color. Okay. Then we talk about the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ which is at free at its front end, and it attached to the back of floor of buccal cavity, and it is able to move in all directions. We know that left, right, up, down. Okay, and there are some functions of tongue which it also help in our digestion. Why? It makes saliva with food while chewing, and it plays an important role while talking, and the taste of food can known due to the different taste bud present on our tongue, and it helps in swallowing our food also. Okay, and by an activity we try to understand that the position of different taste buds. We find the different taste buds in our tongue. We prepare four solution. We made four solution: sugar solution, salt solution, solution of neem leaf juice, and lemon juice. These four type of solution we prepare, and four clean earbuds we take and dip into the four solutions separately. And these birds were rubbed on the different parts of the tongue separately. First, we take sugar solution bird, the bird which dipped in sugar solution and rubbed onto the tip of the tongue, and we feel the sweet taste. And if we rubbed that bird in another part of tongue, it tastes but not clearly. It gives clear taste of sweet from the tip of the tongue. And we take next bud from the salt solution, and it rub on the both side of the behind the tip of the tongue. It tastes the salt solution here, and Then we take the next lemon juice bud. We dip it into the lemon juice and rub that part of the tongue, and we feel the sour taste. And then the bud from the neem juice, it rub the behind end of the tongue near the neck. It sense the bitter taste. So different parts of tongue help to or identify the different taste. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Good luck.